Hello mathematicians. Today we are going to do a subtraction activity on scorecard number 9 for Tuesday. This may look familiar because when we were learning about addition, we did post-it note addition. Well, now we are going to do post-it note subtraction. Now I want to remind you that we can use a number line to help us solve problems. And when we use a number line in subtraction, we always go backwards. And then we can also use the strategy of dots and then crossing off the number that we don't need, the number to take away. We can also use our fingers as a strategy. So we'll be using all of those strategies today to help solve some of these subtraction sentences. All right, the first one we're going to do right here is 3 minus 2. Now, if I was going to use the strategy of my fingers, I can hold up 3 fingers, take away 2 fingers. How many fingers are left? 1. And I can check my work by counting. 1. 3 minus 2 equals 1. So can you find 1 up here? Point to it. There it is. All right. Put the post-it note right there. The next one we have is 10 minus 3. 10 minus 3. I'm going to use the number line for this equation. Remember, I'm going to start at 10 because that's my first number, and I'm going to hop backwards 3. Don't start counting until your first hop. 1, 2, 3. Where did I land? 7. So 10 minus 3 equals 7. Where is 7? There it is, way up there at the top. All right, here's our next equation. 2 minus 0. Now, if you remember from last week's lesson, this number 0 means nothing. When you take 0 away, this number does not change. You haven't taken anything away. So let's do that with our fingers. If we have 2 and we take away 0, how many do I have? 2. 1, 2. 0 doesn't change this number. All right, where is it? There it is. All right, next one. 10 minus 1. Now remember, when you subtract 1, it's the number that comes right before this number. So let's use the number line for this one again. Here's 10, and I'm going to hop back 1. 1. I landed on 9. 9 is 1 less than 10. 10 minus 1 equals 9. There it is. All right, 2 more. 7 minus 7. Now, if you remember this strategy, these two numbers are the same. So when you subtract the same number, you're always going to get 0. I'm taking everything away. 7 minus 7 equals 0. And the last one, 8 minus 4. For this one, let's use the strategy of drawing dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now I'm going to cross off 4 minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are left? 4. And we can check our work by counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 minus 4 equals 4. All right, mathematicians, you can do this activity at home. It's on scorecard number 9 for Tuesday. Have fun.